I was never a fan of Mustangs until this body style came out.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
There's nothing like waking up at 5 in the morning to beat traffic. Let's go. The goal was to avoid all of this, right? I guess 5 a.m. isn't sacred anymore either. Alright, made it to Copart without incident. Except for this workhorse decided to fail on me. Needs a new U-joint, making a whole bunch of noise at about 80 miles an hour. I really need to invest into a new trailer. Just noticed that who I borrowed the trailer from put some regular tires on, so yeah, that's not good. Alright, let's wait for this snake to show up, you know what I'm saying? I was never a fan of Mustangs until this body style came out. I just think they're straight up beautiful now. Look at this. All right. Let's get it loaded. Gotta see what's up with this bumper. I don't want him to tear it all apart. I asked him to load it nose first for weight issues. Let's grab this. Yeah, at least I got the bumper. That's good. Now let's see how bad this thing is. All right. GT350, let's get it going, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Let's hope that hood is okay. Beautiful. She's a heavy one. I asked him to move it forward a little bit because it wants to slide back. She's beautiful. All right, let's see how bad this thing is. That's a much different reinforcement. I was wondering if that's just not closed. Radiators look good. Took a hit here. Crumple zone here, here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tie her down. Here we are loaded up. I'm a little bit out of breath, but she looks really good. Here's a little walk around. What a beast. The only damage is in the front and 2 airbags deployed. Front bumper is in here. A lot of savable parts. I'm excited about that. Even the hood looks to be savable. Over here was pushed in a bit and shot the hood up. We'll see what we can do about it. The reason why it was totaled out, you can see inside here, that rail is squished up a little bit, so they'll automatically call that frame damage. But to us and to Metal Mike, no problem. All right, let's go home. All right, so I got the Shelby to Mike's shop now. Let's go ahead and unload this and talk about the damage. I think it's a very suiting place. A Mustang next to some possible Mustangs. A Mustang's a wild horse, right? Well, this is the wildest one right here. All right, so we just dropped her, pushed her up here on this little hill. About to go into the frame machine. We're gonna waste no time on this rebuild. So let's start off with what this is. It's a 2018 Ford Mustang GT350 Shelby. It was in a front end collision. As you can see here, I bought it at Copart. It took most of the damage here. And also, on the radiator support, pushed up this section here, this apron. That's why it needs to go into the frame machine. This carbon composite support, it's quite expensive, but the hood looks to be good. Just that little nick here. Most of the little pieces here off the bumper are good. The top grille with that snake logo needs to be replaced, but other than that, it looks good. Let's walk around the car. Oh, she's beautiful. Another concern here is this wheel. It took a hit, probably to a curb. Come on, Mustang guys, we're gonna learn how to drive such beautiful machines. So its alignment is off in the rear, so I'm not sure if control arm is bent or whatnot. Everywhere else, it's flawless. The car only has 3,000 miles. I'll show you guys here in a little bit when we get inside. Okay. Airbags deployed. Driver's side and knee. I believe I have this one and not the knee one. Recaro seats, bucket seats. These are beautiful. They're so comfortable. All right. Let's sit down. I'm gonna show you guys the mileage. Okay. Only has $3,700. Come on, focus. $3,700. $3,800. I'm so excited about this car. Interior looks awesome. I'm sure it starts. Copart said it doesn't, but I'm not gonna mess with it until I get a radiator. J chassis. Let's go look at the engine. So here we have the 5.2 flat plane crankshaft Voodoo engine. Oh golly, it's hand built. This car is sick. I can't wait to hear this thing roar. The funny thing is that it's a 2018, but it's still running the 2017 headlights. Saves me a couple bucks on the driver's side headlight. Let's go jump in the trunk, see what we got there. All right. Oh, what do we got in here? Hey, we got a headlight. It's always fun. It's of course destroyed. Ballast. We'll see if we'll use it. Anybody want a Coke? I wonder what this guy was doing when this happened. Anybody take a guess? Yeah, we got some blown up soda in here. Got some aftermarket speakers or wires. All right. And that's the walk around, guys. So, if you want to hear this beast roar, hit that subscribe button, and soon, very soon, I'll get a radiator for it. We'll crank her up, and we're gonna open up that exhaust. And hopefully by next time we'll have a bumper on, and the frame done. Well, the whole car done. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.